Welcome to Norm Macdonald Live, episode number 2. And tonight we have the great Tom Green on the show. We will be asking him questions, interviewing him. I will be interviewing him along with my trusty sidekick, Adam Egret.
It's Eget.
Eget.
Yeah,
He's right.
I had a little guy on my show that I found in the
A little
Royal York.
person.
A little person.
Should explain to the folks.
And he was an alcoholic. And
Like Adam
we
Egret.
put him up. Yeah, we put him up at the
Eget.
Royal.
Okay, we're back with Adam Egret and
Eget.
rather. Here, Fred.
Adam.
Whatever. Well, that name's a name. Jesus Christ, it gets fucking.
You knew what he meant.
A new study shows dogs can tell when people are doling out fake praise. So I guess that's the one thing that differentiates my dog from Adam Eget. Who's Adam Eget? Oh.
Just a funny name.
Oh, just a funny name? Okay, all right.
Adam Eget is him.
Oh, I didn't know that's your last
His
name.
name is Adam Eget.
Eget.
So,
I had no idea you were Adam
well,
Eget.
just be nice to
I
him.
forget sometimes.
Okay. I'm not saying that your trusty sidekick, Adam Eget, is dumb, but on his contract where it said sign here, he wrote Capricorn. To a Letterman.
That's so dumb. What's an octoroon?
Well, I don't know. It seems to me some.
Eighth of a black guy? Is that what you're going to say?
Isn't it an octoroon, Andy?
It is
No,
an eighth of a black guy.
eighth of-
Who is Andy? You were just,
Who is Andy?
you just said Andy.
I was thinking of Andy
Yeah,
Kindler, my good friend.
Because you're
I
pointing.
thought he was here.
No,
It seemed
it's
almost like it
Adam.
was pointing. Yeah,
Adam.
that's
Well,
fine.
Andy and Adam.
No, it's
That's
fine.
great.
It sounds close. Adam
Yeah,
Sandler,
it's
Andy
close enough.
Sandberg.
You a
know what I
boy.
mean?
Adam.
Yeah.
How could I forget that? Adam.
We're
Is
gonna,
it?
we're gonna have Adam Eget do a joke.
Oh, good. And it's Adam, not Andy.
No, I know. I'm trying.
You don't hear any more about.
In the camera.
Oh, sorry. You don't hear any more about Bob Costas' infected eye. Who is stonewalling this investigation? I'm thinking about a year I would work on my delivery.
You don't hear any more about Bob Costas' infected eye? Who's stonewalling this investigation?
He's a consummate amateur.
Neil Patrick Harris posed nude for the cover of Rolling Stone except for a hat hanging off his wiener. And this morning, Adam Eget. Oh, is that your name? Fucking change it. And this morning, Adam woke up and said, "Hey, where's my hat?"
Sorry, Neil Patrick Harris is a cock.
It's on his dick. Go get it.
I bet Neil Patrick Harris fucking shoved his cock deep up his asshole. Huh?
I'm used to say goodbye, nothing new to me. Baby, I'm trying to survive, and I know that you believe in a world with happy endings. So tired of pretending. Oh.
Adam Egret, who is, by the way, I'll just
Eget.
remind you, he's over here. That's
Yeah.
him. Yeah. It's a joke, an Adam Eget joke.
How do you say the name?
Adam Eget,
Eget. Spelt differently.
like the bird.
That's Egret.
Do you know what Adam Egert has in common with a guitar player?
Adam Eget has in common with a guitar player. No, I don't know.
They both love fingering minors.
Now, okay, come on now. Come on now.